Let's use some scrap wood. This work. Let's use a handful of flakes to make it. Doesn't look too bad. I am on hour 2 of scraping, and that's majority of what I've shaped so far. Got these kind of feathered out, got to go farther, got the middle of my bow, and that next limb. These tools are definitely scraping, but that's all this really is. Scraping and shaping. Once I get a little bit farther, I'll kind of narrow these tips out and maybe scrape a little bit of this bark off, but if it's holding the integrity of the bow together, it stays. Start to taper these limbs down, and we might need a new flake. Let's try this guy. That's as big as my edge is right there, so I constantly have to keep moving it compared to like a draw knife or any sort of large face. That whole face covers the whole bow. This just covers a small section. Going over and just moving the flake across the material to really get it shaped out. seems to be pulling right. I gotta just extend this out, get the brace a little bit better. This is synthetic cordage. I'll show how to make a bowstring as well as more arrows in some future videos, but let's get this guy a little bit tighter and then we'll shoot some arrows. It's been 4.5 hours. I got rain coming in, so I'm gonna have to expedite this, so to speak. String slap, no bueno. Keeping that tension, and I mean, it looks like it's bending pretty even. Just want to take a little more scraping will some of those hard spots, get it right where I need it to be. I think we'll rip, that's for sure. Let's tighten the string, shoot a couple more arrows. I'm gonna give it a hard draw. I'm not gonna try and break it, but I'm gonna try to lock it at least to my chin. I like it. That is how I build a Russian olive bow from a piece of wood from the scrap pile.